Oh no, never mind.
He caught another one, guys.
It was just coming with us.
Go, go. Oh!
Kidding?
He got off at the last second. What's up, people? We're just at Silver Lake over here, and we're already got our stuff set up. This is my friend Carter. He'll be setting up. Shut up. But he'll be setting up a YouTube channel sometime soon for fishing and everything. But right now we're just having fun fishing around. Hey guys, so update, just barely switched my up to like a new type of bait thing. He's trying to get a fish right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Not a lot has happened, not a lot of bites. But hey, that's fishing for you. Alright guys, so we come back and he's getting some nibbles right now, so we're gonna see if he can catch anything. Let's see if he has it. You got it? Yeah. Alright, we got one of mine.
Are you kidding?
You guys saw that though, right? We might wanna.
My power bait, I've already had 2 nibbles.
Really? Yep. Alright. So we're gonna cut back to you guys when we actually get more bites or fish, so. What's up, guys? We're gonna be heading over to a new location, so see you there in a bit.
And you gotta keep it from moving. Don't let it move. Viewer discretion is advised.
Yes.
It's gonna be a little. At least we're kind of by those weeds, and so it won't be
This is a not so fun part for the fish.
No, it's
as.
not.
Gotta go buy new ones.
All right,
Let go. Stop moving.
let's see. Hopefully you guys can see.
Then you wanna get my pliers too?
Your pliers? I have pliers on me.
Are you gonna be able to do it, Tanner?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna let this one go. This one's kind of tiny. I want it to grow bigger. All right, how far?
You stop moving too.
Dude. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look inside of his mouth. He still has the bait in there.
Oh my gosh. Okay, you hold the fish. You need 4.
Oh,
4 each person.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You can catch a total of like 16 of them.
Oh. Well, guys. There's some fish. We got 3.
I think this one's already dead.
So, really, mine's already dead, most likely.
I think it is.
Okay. We're gonna wash off our hands real quick.
Crap, is that my granola bar wrapper?
I think so.
Is it peanut butter?
It looks like it.
Oh. Okay, I need to pick it up. Yeah, it was peanut butter.
Alright. Whew, that's cold water. Alright, well, we'll catch you guys back when we
One time
catch more or something. Alright, just barely caught that fish. Sick, sick, sick. Ah!
Did it really just break
It
the
just
line?
broke the entire hook.
Really?
Yeah.
Not the hook. The line just snapped
Well, the
off.
line on the hook.